the kitchen fairy here with did you steam it and steam and a bowl of poppy seed bread pudding. This is Hungarian dessert, and normally people would serve this before or after Christmas lunch or Christmas dinner. Well, some like to serve it anytime, but in my husband's family they like to serve it before or after Christmas lunch or Christmas dessert. This is unbaked and it's pretty easy to make, and you can add anything you like. It looks weird because of the poppy seed. It's, you know, dark stuff, black stuff all over, but this is really yummy. You can add your favorite nuts like pecans or raisin, or you can even top it with sweet custard or vanilla pudding. Because it's so easy to make, they make it fresh right before or after dinner or lunch, or you can chill it first, which I truly like it best, chill in the fridge for a couple of hours before you serve this. Since this is December, a couple of weeks to go till about 18 days, 17 days to go till Christmas. If you are interested to serve this bread pudding unbaked, super easy, check out the whole video, the full video. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye! So for this bread pudding, you will need about 3 cups of nut milk, and then we're gonna add about half cup of sugar, and we're gonna bring it to just boil, lukewarm, not fully boil, just until sugar dissolves. And to this I'm gonna add a handful of raisins, the original bread pudding doesn't consist raisin, but I just love adding raisins to it. I have here is a day or 2 old kaiser rolls. The original bread pudding will be using kifli. It's similar to croissant, but the texture would be like kaiser roll or bread roll instead. Croissant pastry is just shaped as in crescent or croissant. And I have a half cup of poppy seeds that I then grinded them to be fine texture, and we're gonna add a drop or 2 of vanilla essence to the milk. We're gonna slice this bread to bite size. Slice, we're gonna dip the bread into the milk. Gonna dip the bread and soften it to the milk. Now that it's mixed, your bread pudding, no baked bread pudding, is done. You can serve it right away or chill for an hour or 2. I like it chilled. I like when it's cold, but you can serve them right away. Usually the Hungarians will make it fresh just after dinner, so rather warm.